Tare ke tshetse bucket ya metsi ke re kokoropa. Batho shiba ba ntshwere mo. I honestly can't wait for next week Saturday when we go to the book club because dilo tse di etsahalang ka mo yo o khonahale like how khonahale like I never thought I would enjoy because I read your self-help books a lot, so these were never my type of books until they started bringing them into the book club. I think it started Fabrics of Love, and then it was Good Things Keep Happening to Me, and then this is the third novel that we are reading. So I am honestly enjoying the novel. They're so nice. I would be that girl that would pick up a novel and really enjoy it, and especially our African sisters, they're doing a good job. This month, Fabrics of Love and Good Things Keep Happening to Me. Get the South African authors, so those were beautiful as well. So honestly, I can't wait for next week because so let me quickly say tate kamugana and yeah, and enjoy my Saturday. ke buile Ghana because because the other thing about reading a novel is that you need to start creating pictures in your mind, right? That's the remote. You need to start creating pictures in your mind. You need to have these characters like so sometimes yeah, it really does something with your mind. So now because my mind is a bit tired, this is what I also do to relax my mind. It's very nice. So this is a coloring book with scriptures. I got it Kukum book, very nice. I enjoy doing this on a random Saturday, right? And I need to prepare dinner. The page 18 actually, man, one of my favorites. The page 18 actually, mama. So I'm gonna cook. Maybe I'll start at 6. So right now I'm just gonna enjoy this music. It's so nice, very therapeutic, very relaxing to the mind. So yeah, it's a beautiful Saturday. It's a costing sale. Because tomorrow is Sunday, that very, very short day. Very late cracking, very wheeling. Rest of the Sundays are for lovers. Then the next thing, so it's 6 o'clock. And after this, I'm gonna cook dinner, then go take a bath, and then sit down and eat. Then I'll probably go to bed very early. I'm on my 8. I'm sure. I'm going to tell you. Number 1. I'm sure. Parce que tu l'as dit là, so, yeah. So I am done hokoropa and no guape. Right, I'm going to cook a very easy meal, one of my favorite meals. Page 18 from Chili Mama's book. I think this was the first meal that I made. Creamy chicken livers. Yeah, that's what I'm making. More by the cook time is 25 minutes, so this means that cafeta is kind, because already I have started with the preps. So I got the chicken liver is this. So already the prep says that you must soak them in milk. So I've already done that part. Now we're really busy with koroba, so that part is done. So no gotomo, right? Because I get a WhatsApp with me 1 minute 30 seconds. So I'll come show you mid-process where we are. But yeah, right now I'm going to cook my meal. This week so I deserve to eat up today. So I'm gonna make chicken livers, cabbage, because that's what I'm craving. Le oros. It's oros the icy, it was sweetie it only. And yeah, I'll go bath once I'm done with my dinner. Then I'll come back and dish up and eat, and then we're gonna call it a night. Cabbage and buga chili mama. So I love habanero paste. This is one of my favorites. Together in vegro mix. So I decided I got beer, right? So those are, they make the meal to be very nice. So I'm gonna use that. We're gonna need a little bit of garlic. And what else do I need? Yeah, I get a red pepper. I have green pepper, but I have stir fry. So come have a stir fry. Only red pepper. So get go hint. Come have a stir fry. Yeah. So remove. Go white little one time. Only beetroot. Oh, yo, not. Let me cook so that I can eat. Dinner is ready. Orosiaka. Kidumulo inwaka glasiona evil. Let's come sorwai. And yeah, that is my page 18. I want a red pepper, green pepper, jalapeno. And this was my, what did I spend today? I'm not sure I spend today, but I had such a beautiful day. Let me go eat and go bath. But I want to go sun. Good morning.